Hi there, hope you are doing well. So first of all, thank you for using my services, and I am happy to set up your Notion complete dashboard. So the purpose of recording this video, I want to show you I have complete your Notion template, and I am going to show you everything how you can use this Notion template. So first of all, you can see this is like a banner logo, then dashboard name, then my dashboard, and welcome message. Here you can see quick action, then this dashboard overview, then pages, so more. First, then this calendar. First we need to discuss these all pages, then we will move next to quick action, then these dashboard setup. So first of all, here weekly action plan, this is first page. So when we open this page, here you can see like add custom field. Already I have used these dummy data for checkout purpose. You can delete these all data and you will put according to your need. Then like name, category, due date, status, priority, estimate time, notes. And you can check out by weekly action plan, by status view, by calendar view, like by status to do doing done, then by category views like email, meeting, training, upload, by priority focus, and so on. Like priority focus will be high. This is first page, then weekly action plan. Then let's discuss next page. Next page is goal tracker. Opening new tab. So next page is goal tracker. In this page we will see like first here database with all like goal name, target, status, completion, start date, priority, notes. Then you can check out by progress bar, by timeline view, and simple list. Then next let's discuss. Next page is coaching outreach. Here you can like template name and template type, tag, last modify by email, by notes, etc. You can use this template by in gallery view, by template type, like that will be suitable. Like this is with all information, and by quick access. Then let's discuss next page. So next page is highlight videos. Here you can check out video name, videos type, tags, date date uploaded, duration, video link, notes. Here you can check out by gallery view, by type, by timeline. Then next page is target school and team. Here target like school name, contact person, status, rating, last contact, next step, notes. And here you can check out by status, by high priority. So discuss. Then next page is like player profile, upload center. Let's discuss other pages work similarly with same data. Like this is bonus tab. Here I have added these sub pages: mindset zone, training tracker, coach feedback, and wellness. Let's quickly check out all pages. Like similarly by calendar view, by gallery view, I am going to quickly. Then training tracker, by calendar view, by training type, performance analysis, for more. Then coach feedback, then social media. So this is all pages I have set up, these all pages. Then let's discuss a quick action. Like quick action button, like this is button. When you click here, so new task will be add and open page. Like I have quick like click this button, so you will put new page name, like category, throw more information here. So these are pages working in new goals, upload new highlight videos, target team, add target team, new journal entry, add coach feedback, upload new file, and so more. So here is the like link database by filter views. Like here this week next step you will show here. Here you can check out like to do like just here I have add filter like in this week, like to those task will be show here. Then next is top priorities, like top priorities task will be show here. You can check out by filter like priority highs, this week status to do. Then progress tracker, then weekly mindset, then is the last is weekly calendar. There like task will be show here in this type. So I have set up your whole dashboard and review this and let me know if you need any changes and some more. I am waiting your feedback. Thank you.